Hello everyone, today let me introduce a useful STL for beginners. I found it on thingiverse.com. Here is the link. When we finish the resin printing, we will find that some of the resin still stick on the platform. Even we leave it alone for several hours, it is still the same. And if we don't deal with it, when we remove the models, sometimes it will drop on the printer, sometimes on the desk, and sometimes on the floor. So how can we avoid this problem? This is why I share this small part with you. From this link we can see, Fritzinko designed it and share it. Thanks Fritzinko. Actually this is a dream bracket, and its function is like this. Let's see how it works. It's very easy. Just put it on the position where the platform is. But it is designed for monarchs. If you want to design the size belong to your printer, for example my Prinko printer, the size is too small, so we can use a software, Tinkercad, use a pillar, make the gap deeper and wider, and thicker. Hollow it and combine the pillar and the STL, and then export it. It's easy to use. Let's watch the whole progress together. With this small part, we can release our hands, keep clean and will not waste resin. No need to add supports and easy to print. You can try it.